Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Letsvette. I'm Brandon, and as always, we are here at C8 Corvette in Atlantic City. Today, we are going to be doing a pre-owned inventory walk for you, but before we jump totally into it, if you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button. That's going to help me keep bringing fresh, relevant content to you. In addition to that, if you see anything you're interested in today's shoot, the best way to get in contact with me is going to be my cell phone at 856-534-4006, or you can email me at bnewberger@siokaauto.com. That being said, let's jump into the pre-owned inventory walk. All right, guys, so first of all, for today's shoot, we got the sun pouring in, highlighting some of these ones on the front line here. Please excuse the glasses. I'm not trying to be extra cool, but I'm just trying not to squint at you. So we have a certified pre-owned 2023 Stingray 2LT coupe in my favorite combination for a C8, hypersonic gray with an adrenaline red interior. Stock number on this one, if you're interested, is going to be 235455. That's 235455. Now, this one, obviously, like I've said a million times over on the channel, this is my favorite color for a C8, and that sun is showing you exactly why right here. All that metallic fleck popping out of the hypersonic gray paint. This one here is well equipped with front lift. We've got performance exhaust. It also has a transparent roof panel, and I like that the original owner added some wrapping here to kind of tie that transparent roof panel into the back of the car where it slopes. That's one of my things about the transparent roof panel that I wish Chevy and GM would change, is it tends to stand out a little bit because it doesn't have the body color edging. With this one, done very, very well with the wrapping, so it transitions very nicely. It's also got GT2 seats in it, again showing off that adrenaline red interior. It does have the two-tone seat inserts, and it is very well equipped. It's got the ever popular 20-spoke machine-faced wheels, as well as the bright red calipers to accent that red interior. Also low-profile spoiler in body color with the front splitter. All around, a very, very well optioned car, nice cruiser. It has 4,687 miles on it, so barely broken in. And our price on this, again, if you're interested, is $69,999, so just about $70,000 on this one. Again, stock number 235455. Reach out to me on my cell if you're interested. All right, guys, next up, we have a really, really cool Z06 that you're not going to see terribly often. You're not going to see new anymore. This is going to be a pre-owned 2024 Z06 3LZ convertible in ceramic matrix gray with adrenaline red interior. And there's a ton of options and accents going on here. Stock number 243239 if you're interested. Now, again, there's a lot going on here. This is a 3LZ convertible, and I was actually a little confused when it came in just because you don't see this custom interior option code very often. It is an adrenaline red interior with two-tone seats, but it has suede on the doors and on the dash. This was actually a custom interior this year that you don't see put together this way very often. Again, it's technically a jet black interior with adrenaline red seats and stitching because you don't have the red on the dash. So that's going to differentiate it a little bit. In addition to that, you've got so many carbon fiber options and accents going on here. You do have the exposed carbon fiber ground effects, as well as this exposed carbon fiber wheel with the red stripe. That is going to tie into all of the red accents, including the edge red calipers there. You've got the mirror caps, you have the side skirts, you even have the carbon fiber intake scoops here, or as a lot of people call it, the boomerang. So many good options here, just little details that tie this car together. Probably my favorite being the Z06 badging in edge red. You've got my favorite Corvette accessory, which is the Jake C8R graphics package. That's that hood graphic, as well as these rear fender hashes here. Continuing with the carbon fiber, you've got the standard Z06 spoiler, the low profile one, but in carbon fiber. That was a dealer installed accessory. And then you've even got this Corvette script on the rear in torch red to make it pop against that ceramic matrix gray exterior. I am curious to see how this translates on camera because it is very bright out, but one of the #1 questions we get about this color when we have one in is people go, is that white? No, it's not white, it's ceramic matrix gray. It does have some very subtle metallic effect to it, so it will pop even more nicely in the sun. You'll also be able to see it and differentiate it more when it's next to a white car. You will see that this is not entirely white. I've said it many times on the channel, I think this color does better with a red interior than just about any other color in Corvette's lineup. Very sad that they got rid of it, but today we do have it for you in a very, very well loaded Z06. Again, this is ceramic matrix gray with custom jet black and adrenaline red interior. It does have the suede. You got all that carbon fiber, including the wheels, and the crazy part about this is only 365 miles on it. So pretty much brand new. One of my coworkers built this originally and then it got traded in. If you are interested, again, stock number is 243239. And our asking price on this is $139,999. Again, hit me up directly if you're interested. This is one that we do not get in very often at all. All right, guys, next up, we've got something definitely a little bit more out of the box for what I normally bring you. We have a pre-owned 2020 Aston Martin DB11 V8 coupe. And I'll be honest with you, I was off yesterday. I didn't even see this car. I came in at 6:15 this morning, saw this in the showroom, and I said, I gotta get this written up so we can get it on camera. I don't know, you know, I got a lot of different viewers out there and you're all in different situations. For me, I grew up wanting to be James Bond. I thought he was the slickest guy out there, and this is James Bond's car. Obviously, I'm biased. I sell Corvettes for a living. I love Corvettes, but Aston Martin always has a very special place in my heart just because I think it is the smoothest, coolest. You know, that's the guy that I wanted to be when I was a kid. And man, if this thing is not extremely hot. We've got an onyx black exterior with obsidian black interior. And I mean, it's a sleekly designed coupe to begin with. It's just a smooth looking vehicle, but what I love about this is all the custom red stitching on the interior. You've got the red stitching, you've got the red seat belts, and the bright red brake calipers to match it as well. Just a sharp, debonair car right here. Tons of power out of that V8. You've got 4,581 on the odometer, so 4,581 miles. Again, this is a 2020 Aston Martin DB11 V8 coupe, stock number 20209898. If you are interested, our asking price is $114,990, so just about $115 on this one. Hit me up if you're interested. I would love to add an Aston Martin to my list of sold cars because, man, is this thing just not absolutely slick. All right, guys, next up, I have easily my favorite car of the day. We have a pre-owned 2019 Z06 2LZ convertible. And I'm gonna be honest with you, if this were a manual transmission, you guys wouldn't be seeing it because I probably would have driven it home and surprised my wife. This is my absolute favorite color that Corvette has ever produced. I know I said on the C8, it's the hypersonic gray, but this is Watkins Glen gray, my favorite color, and that sunlight is showing you exactly why. So much metallic effect in there, and I love it with an adrenaline red interior, which is exactly what this one has. This one is a Z06 2LZ convertible. I know we have the top down, but the top is black, so it is black cloth, and this has an automatic transmission on it. Also love these bright polished aluminum wheels. They are an aftermarket wheel. I was fortunate enough to be the one who traded this car in towards a custom Z06 build for 2026. So again, thank you, Tommy, for working with me. Really appreciate that. And your car came out beautiful, but man, if this is not just a magnificent piece to be turned in, again, there was actually a chance that I was going to be driving home in this one just because of how much I love this. Let me know in the comments if you guys are as adamant and enthusiastic about this build as I am, but I just love Watkins Glen gray. Really hope that maybe Corvette will bring it back for the C8 or maybe even the C9 one day. We'll see what happens, but it's got the bright red brake calipers tying into that adrenaline red interior. And 31,300 miles on the odometer, so especially for a 2019, it was loved but not beaten. Plenty of life left in this thing. Stock number 190866. Price on this one is going to be $77,327. So again, hit me up directly if you are interested. All right, guys, next up, we've got a pretty out of the box build from my channel. I don't normally feature Supras. but this was such a slick build. This one was one that was actually traded in with me. So John, thank you for building your new Stingray. Eagerly anticipating it showing up. But with that being said, guys, we have a 2023 Supra GR 3.0. So this is the 6-cylinder. Stock number is going to be 236626. This is going to be in Stratosphere Blue with a black interior. And there's a few things we got going on here, most notably the manual transmission. So if you're looking for a fun weekend car to go around in and shift through those gears and have some fun, feel a little bit more connected with your transmission, this might be the move. Also, the main thing, or the main things that you're gonna see on this, will be all of the carbon fiber. Some of this stock, some of this aftermarket. We have so much carbon fiber going on here, from the front splitter to the side skirts, the mirror caps, these door scallops, learned a new term when it was traded in. We've also got this enlarged carbon fiber rear splitter, as well as the rear diffuser, and then also the carbon fiber steering wheel and the center console cluster as well. So a ton of carbon fiber going on here. We've got 11,412 miles on the odometer. Again, 2023 Toyota Supra GR 3.0. Stock number is going to be 236626, and our ask on this is $57,999. Super fun car to go through the gears in, and definitely going to be fun for somebody looking to be connected with that transmission. Hit me up directly if you're interested. All right, guys, last car I have for you today is definitely one for a Corvette enthusiast. This is going to be a pre-owned 2002 Z06. Stock number is going to be 020652, and this is Millennium Yellow with a red and black interior. Most notable thing on this is going to be the manual transmission. So I know a lot of you enthusiasts are looking for that manual. This one is it. We got the gloss black wheels with the red stripe tying into that red interior. And you also have a Borla exhaust on this. This thing sounds phenomenal. We've got 40,484 miles on the odometer, and our ask on this is $29,994, so just about 30 grand. Again, if you're interested in this one, hit me up directly and reference stock number 020652. That is gonna about do it for all of our pre-owned inventory today. As always, thank you so much for watching Letsvette. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you're interested in any of them, reach out directly to me. My cell phone is 856-534-4006, and my email is bnewberger@siokaauto.com. Thank you so much as always for watching, and I'll have more coming for you soon.